Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can create playlists on your YouTube channel using an iPhone or an iPad in 2021, and that is coming right up after this. So guys, the first thing that you would obviously want to do is open up the YouTube app, and from there you'd want to go and tap on your YouTube logo up in the top right hand corner, or your YouTube channel logo up in the top right hand corner, and then you'd want to tap on your channel. And after you tapped on your channel, what you basically want to do from here is go to tap on a video, then you want to just tap on save, and then you want to tap on new playlist. And after you type on your new playlist, just type in the title. I'm going to type in then you can select whether you want the playlist to be public, unlisted, or private. So if you want to playlist to be public, anyone can search for it and view it. If you want it to be unlisted, anyone can view it with the link. If you want it to be private, only you can view the playlist. So if you want it to be public, obviously I would want to tap on public, just tap on create, and the playlist will show up in the playlist tab right here. As you can see, typical, no, not that, it's going to show right here, typical Tyreak live. And you can type in the description or whatever you want to do. So without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and tell me what you think about this tutorial, and share this tutorial with anyone that might be looking for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.